If you're ready to permanently delete your Instagram account, here's exactly how to do it. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible. Once deleted, your profile, photos, messages, and followers will be gone forever. Let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three lines in the top right. From there, go to Account Center, then select Personal Details. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control, followed by Deactivation or Deletion. If you only want to take a break, you can choose the deactivation option here. But since we're permanently deleting the account, select Delete Account, then tap Continue. Instagram will ask you to provide a reason for leaving. Select any option, then tap Continue. You'll then be required to re-enter your password. After doing so, you'll see a page displaying the date until which you can cancel the deletion if you change your mind. Once you've reviewed everything, tap Delete Account, and that's it. Your account is now scheduled for permanent removal. Instagram gives you 30 days to reconsider. If you log back in during this period, you can cancel the deletion, but once the time runs out, your account is gone forever. And that's all it takes. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.